Penhole Close is in Coads Green, not a million miles from Launceston town centre, and easy access to the A30, and you're on the way to Liskeard or Plymouth. It's the south side of Launceston, so good access to all those places. Now I'm stood in the garden. This property comes with 5 bedrooms. It also comes with a up-to-date, to die for kitchen with all the mod cons, and you can even watch telly in the bath. Now outside here you can see behind me, all set up ready for the summer, is a beautiful, basically big patio garden. You've also got a covered area that is quite nice for sitting in on those cooler evenings, or if it's very hot during the day you fancy a cool spot to sit in too. Great for barbecues, great for entertaining. This house covers it all. If you'd like to see the rest of the video, then give us a call. We'd love to bring you here for a viewing.